Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover your TikTok account with a username only. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your TikTok application. Then you want to simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom. And now simply go ahead and tap on the login button and you're going to be taken to this page. Simply tap on use phone, email or username. Simply go to your username tab right over here, or if you don't find the forgot password tab right here, all you need to do is simply click on the question mark and click on recover your account. This is where you want to simply go ahead and enter your username right over here. Once you've simply went ahead and entered your username and clicked on search, it will simply go ahead and find your account. You can simply go ahead and use your Google Authenticator to just go ahead and log back in. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.